stewardship is I am a manager or an overseer of what God places in my pockets, in my heart, in my home while I live here. That's all. I don't, people can say, well, isn't any part of your hard work, can't you claim that? No. Because you could work your tail off and have nothing. And you can work your tail off and have a lot. And I really believe that God, in some way, a diversity of ways actually prospers us, but it's not the prosperity of money just flowing out and building up everywhere. I don't believe that.
Come into this house, magnify the Lord, lift up holy hands, our hearts in one accord. Worship and bow down before Him, exalt His name today. Come into this house,